Welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq. If you're serious about landing a remote job, this video is for you. These companies are hiring right now. Make sure you stay to the end of this video for a chat support role opportunity that you don't want to miss. Also, don't forget my resume template bundle that is in my stand store that will help you secure your interview. So let's get into these roles. Our first role is coming from SCA Health as a revenue cycle coordinator. This is a full time remote position within the United States, so no matter where you are, you can apply. The pay starts at $19, ending at $21, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, what you will do in this role, you will manage email, faxes, and patient correspondence, as well as enter patient information, update records daily, process payments, and assist with billing tasks. You will track missing insurance documents as well as support the revenue cycle finance team. The schedule is Monday through Friday between 7:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For this role, they would like for you to have a high school diploma or GED, excellent written and verbal communication skills, as well as someone who is highly organized and detail oriented. This is a great entry level friendly role. It's perfect for anyone looking to get into data entry, medical billing, or remote admin work without needing many years of experience. So, if you are interested in this position, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Staples as a print account specialist. This is a full-time remote position. The pay starts at $52,000, ending at $78,000 per year, which all depends on your location and your experience. So what you'll do in the print account specialist role, you will manage print orders, projects, and customer accounts. You will support customers, the sales teams to drive print sales. You will handle questions, resolve issues, and track orders, as well as analyze reports to improve sales and processes. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma, 2 years in customer service, sales, or print. You must be comfortable with computers and fast paced work. Also, have strong communication and multitasking skills. This is a great position for anyone with customer service or sales experience looking to move into a higher paying remote role with growth potential. So, if this position is something that you are interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next two roles are coming from Capital Blue Cross Blue Shield. The first position is a member service representative. This position is full time remote. Starting pay is $16, ending pay is $30. All depends on your location and your experience. So, what you would do in this role, you will handle customer questions via phone, email, or chat. You will help members understand benefits and resolve issues. You will provide top tier customer service and build those relationships, as well as stay on top of training, policies, and performance goals. What they would like to see is someone who has a high school diploma or GED, someone who is comfortable in a call center environment, someone with strong communication and customer service skills, and also those basic computer skills. This is a perfect position for anyone looking to break into that remote customer service and healthcare with strong pay, full benefits, and growth opportunities. So, if you are interested in the member service representative position, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role from Capital Blue Cross Blue Shield is the People and Culture Project Coordinator. This is a full-time remote position. The pay is $55,000 per year, ending at $103,000 per year, but it all depends on your location and your experience. So what you will do in this role, you will coordinate HR, people project, and track timelines. You will manage project plans, reports, and team updates, as well as support meetings, stakeholders, and leadership communication. You will identify risk and keep projects on track. What they would like to see is someone who has a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. They would like to see that 3 years in project coordination management, strong organization and communication skills. This is a great role for anyone with admin, HR, or project coordination experience looking to step into a higher paying remote role with growth opportunity. So, if you have that past experience, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Kettering Health as a pre registration one with the Patient Accounts Financial Assistance Pre Registration Department. This is a full time remote position, first shift. So, what you will do in this role is you will enter patient information and verify insurance details. You will review benefits, authorization, and billing information, as well as assist patients with financial assistance and questions, provide strong customer service, and update records. What they would like to see is someone with a high school diploma, someone with 1 year customer service experience, strong data entry and computer skills, as well as attention to detail and the ability to multitask. This is great for anyone looking to get into remote healthcare, admin, patient access, or data entry roles with growth potential. If this position is something you're interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role is coming from Globe Life as a customer retention representative. This is a full time remote position, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Central Time Zone. In this role, you will handle calls from customers wanting to cancel policies. You will reach out to customers with lapsed coverage, offer solutions, and retain accounts. You will document interactions and meet performance goals. What they would like to see is someone with a high school diploma or GED, strong communication and problem solving skills, as well as basic computer skills and call center or sales experience. This position is perfect for anyone with customer service or sales experience who's confident on the phone and wants a remote role focused on retention and relationship building. If you are interested in the customer retention representative role, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last role is coming from Test Hiring as a chat support agent. This is a full time remote position. So, what you will do in this role, you will respond to customers via live chat. You will answer questions and troubleshoot issues, as well as escalate complex problems when needed. You will document interactions in the system. What they're looking for is someone with strong written communication and typing skills, someone with basic computer skills, someone who is customer focused mindset and no experience required. You must have a high school diploma or GED. A bachelor's degree is a plus, and you must have prior experience in customer service or a chat based support role. In this role, they do pay 14K to 76K per year. Again, it all depends on your location and your experience. So this role, it is perfect for beginners looking to get into that remote chat support or customer service with no phone work. If you are interested in the chat support agent role, the link will be in the description to apply. All right, folks, those are your job leads for today. Make sure you don't wait and apply fast. And if you're leveling up your applications, make sure you grab my resume template bundles in the Stand store to stand out and land those interviews. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.